In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable element that takes your visitors exactly where they need to go, helping your site feel more polished and intuitive. First, start on the page where you want the link to live. Add a clickable element, like a button. In the Wix editor, you can add a button from the Add menu and place it wherever it makes sense in your layout. A button is a great choice because it's clear and accessible, but this works the same way with other elements that support links, such as images or text. As you position the button, think about visual hierarchy and spacing so it stands out without competing with your page's main content. Next, click directly on the button or element to configure it. When it's selected, you'll see its settings panel or a floating toolbar. This is your control center for that element. You can update the text on a button to make the action obvious, like Learn More or View Services, and adjust the design to match your site's style. Keeping the label short and action-oriented helps visitors understand what will happen when they click. Now, look for the link icon in the Elements controls and click it, then choose Page. Wix will show several link types here, but for this walkthrough, you want to link to another page within your site. So Page is the correct option. Selecting Page ensures the link stays internal, loads quickly, and keeps visitors inside your site experience. Finally, choose the specific page from the drop-down to link to that button. You'll see a list of your existing pages by name. Pick the one that matches your intent and confirm. Clear page names make this easier, so if your list is long, take a moment to select carefully. After you choose the page, the link is set. Your button now directs visitors to that destination when clicked. That's all. With those simple steps, you've created a smooth path for your users to move through your site. A quick reminder: consistent button styles and clear labels across pages help people know what to expect and build trust as they browse. If you ever change your site structure, you can repeat these same steps to update or repoint the link. Keep your most important destinations just a click away, and your visitors will thank you with longer sessions and more engagement.